Welcome to our step-by-step guide on initiating a new booking on our platform. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and find the Booking section. Click on it and then click on New Booking at the top right of the screen. You now have two choices: a single booking or a client file with multiple bookings. If you're looking to make a single reservation, simply click on Skip, which will directly take you to the booking engine. In this example, I'm looking for hotels in Bangkok. I will enter 2 adults and provide the date of stay. The available results are displayed. You can sort them using the filters, for example, by choosing different categories. You can also use the advanced filters to filter by type, style, or level of sustainable commitment. A Sort By button allows you to display results in ascending or descending order, or to display promotions or instant availability first. Now, let's make a reservation by creating a client folder. Click on Bookings and then on New Booking. Enter the requested information, such as the internal reference, the name of the client folder, and the compulsory information for guests, such as gender, surname, first name, and date of birth. The nationality, passport number, and expiry date fields are optional. If you already have them at this stage, you can enter them. Then click Continue. The client folder is created. Enter the name of the hotel or the desired location. Select the number of rooms. Here, you can enter different adult and child guests and different rooms. For this example, I need a room for 2 adults in April. The results are displayed. Click on the thumbnail. This window shows the list of rooms available by name, by price with conditions, and any promotions. A result without an illuminated symbol means that the reservation will be sent to the hotel upon request, so they must confirm or refuse it. When you see the green lightning bolt, availability is immediate, and the reservation will be guaranteed. When you hover the mouse over it, you have 2 options: allotments available, which means DMC allotment stock, or connected to Channel Manager, which means the reservation will be confirmed instantly in the hotel's system. We will book the room for this first booking on request. Click on the desired room and check the bed type. You may select one or more special offers or supplements if they have been set. Click on Confirm Rooms. You are now in the last booking window. Customer information is automatically retrieved from the client folder. You can add an internal reference and notes for the hotel. The cancellation conditions are indicated at the bottom of the page. You must validate them before booking to confirm. When you have finished, click on Validate Booking. A confirmation page with the information will appear. In this example, the booking has been sent to the hotel on request. By clicking on the reference, you can find this booking in My Bookings by Clients folder. To access the booking details in this folder, click the pencil symbol to open it. On the hotel side, he instantly received an email called Booking Request. They can access the booking information by clicking on the link. The hotel has 3 options. It can refuse the booking, make a counter-proposal if the room requested is not available on that date but another is, or confirm the booking. It can also use the messaging system to discuss the reservation with you and send you the attached documents. In this example, the hotel will confirm the reservation. You will instantly receive an email informing you that the hotel has confirmed the booking. At the same time, the status has been updated in your dashboard booking. Let's make a second booking for this customer file. To do this, click on New Booking at the top right of the screen. The information in the client file will be automatically imported, and you can proceed with the new booking described above. In this example, I will book a room that's instantly available with the lightning bolt. Here, I'm booking a DMC allotment, but the same principle applies to a live inventory channel manager booking. Click on Confirm Rooms. This takes you to the final booking window. You will be reminded of your guest's details in the client folder. You can add an internal reference to this booking in addition to the client folder reference. Read the cancellation conditions and click to accept them. You can enter a note for the hotel and the name of the tour operator you are booking for. And that's it, the booking is now confirmed directly. The hotel will receive an instant confirmation email with the link to the details, and you will also receive confirmation of your booking by email. You can access the details of this additional reservation in your client folder by going to your booking dashboard.